Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the pen tool in Photoshop. The pen tool is located in the toolbar on the left. Think of the pen tool as a more complex selection tool. The first option you have is to select if you want the pen tool to create a shape or a path. Let's go over the shapes first. By clicking on the screen, you can create an anchor point. And to create more anchor points, just click anywhere on the screen. And here we have our shape. By clicking more times on the screen, we are creating more anchor points. And if you want to curve your anchor points, you're going to hold and drag. Here are all your settings for the shape you just created. If you want to learn more about that, I have a whole tutorial on the shape tool on my channel. The next thing we have is the path tool. Adding anchor points creates our path. Now, what you can do with the path is make a selection, mask, and shape. I just showed you what the shape one does. Let's go with the selection and mask. As the title suggests, the selection tool makes a selection. You can feather the radius, and you can turn on or off the anti-aliased option. I'm going to press OK, and here's my selection. Let me show you what the mask one does. I'm going to create a path, and I'm going to create a mask. As you can see, it creates a mask that I can adjust by moving the anchor points. Now, if you want to adjust your anchor points, right-click on the pen tool. Here, you have Add Anchor Point tool or Delete Anchor Point tool. Let's go over the Add Anchor Point tool first. Clicking anywhere on the path I created, I can create a new anchor point that I can move. And I can move any of the previous anchor points I made. Delete Anchor Point tool, as the title suggests, allows you to delete your anchor points. Then we have a Freeform Pen tool, which allows you to create paths by drawing them with your hand. And then we have a Curvature Pen tool, which allows you to make curved paths. And you can fill your path. Here you can choose the contents. I'm going to choose the foreground color, and then when you're happy with selection, press OK. Right-clicking on your path, you can choose to fill your path or create a stroke around your path. I'm going to choose Fill Path, and I'm going to fill it with the foreground color, which is red. And if I want to make a stroke around my path, I can choose which tool I want to create the stroke. To delete a path, just right-click and press Delete Path. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.